Guys, it's my first time playing. It's my first time playing MM2, and let's play. I know what I'm gonna do. Well, let me just inform everybody that I'm making a video. Making. What the hell? I'm making a video. I'm making a video. Let's see what. Sheriff. Okay, sheriff. A little sheriff. Felix Mo. Jail. Do not sit. Where is it? Wait, let me hide behind the door. Easy. Guys, I forgot recording. Oh my god, these guys are begging me to be in the video. Holy moly. Wait, let me write something random. You are in the video. Shout out to the Brazilian and Devil Sick. Oh nah, I ain't saying that curse number. Look, buddy, I ain't saying no curse number. Okay, we got innocent. Holy man, innocent. Oh shit, this guy can kill me. No problem, man. You're in the video. Okay, what the hell am I laughing at? Wait a second. What the hell is going on there? It better not be that guy who I saw. How many minutes there? You better not kill me. Oh, hell, what's up? You got a gun, that's nice. Hey, brother, I'm not killing you. I ain't no murderer. If I was, I would. I'm sorry. What the hell? Wait, did brother say? Not again, innocent. Oh shoot! How did I even die? Maybe I lagged. I know. I was lagging, guys. Listen. Okay. Let me stop the cap. And let me just do a pose for no absolute delusion. Me, yeah. Where is the murderer? Hey, Nicholas, what's good? Give me the oh my gosh. Give me the murderer. Give me the murderer, please. Give me that knife. I need it. Please, Nicholas, I need it. My mom is kinda homeless. Okay, that was cringe. Holy cringe. Wait, let me try to do a 360. Whee! Did I ever do it? View event. But it's not even Valentine's right now. Or it is. Or is it? I don't know. Hey, what are you? What the heck? Nah, I win. Brother, you don't like it. You ain't like it. What the hell was I staring into my phone? Holy moly, I'm gonna just get out of here. Hey, what's good? Drone game. Bro got the drip on. Look at him. Bro, the drippy. Holy. Okay, why the hell am I screaming like a alarm fire whatever day? Oh my god, there are so many people. Hello, you ain't even a bacon. Cutie bacon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Sorry. Pro gamer 1 2 3 4 5 is 1. Sorry, 1 2 3 0. Brother, what are you? Brother, why do you have a grandbrother? Okay, why? If my accent goes, should I do this accent the whole video? Let me just try to do that accent again. Hello, brother. Hello, brother. What's good, brother? Hey, brother, what's good? Okay, why the hell am I saying like that? What the hell? No. That is a very, very big no. What? The Brazilian and Devil. Oh, card number. Innocents win. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay guys, I'm just a Fulton fan. That's why I put my... Oh my... Bro, stop standing on my head. Go and... Oh my gosh. Go and stand on Nicholas' head. Oh my gosh, I'm innocent. Why? No. Let me see. Let me just play some games then. Let me play. Yeah. Let me play Dead Raiders. Holy brother. Hey brother, you better not. You better not. You better not try to kill me, buddy. Oh, what the heck? Bro's lagging. Holy lag. Bro, holy lag. Whoa. Let me get that point. Yeah, I'm alright. Oh, shoot. There's a murder. I mean the maple syrup. I see the maple syrup. Hey, the maple syrup. Guys, I see the maple syrup. I'm just gonna get in a vent. Oh my gosh. I'm just lag so much. Oh, holy moly. Hey, what's good? You ain't vent. Oh shoot, he won. I was gonna say you ain't winning nothing. Hey, what's good, bruh? What's good, bruh? Your avatar is kind. What the hell you go? Your avatar's kinda good. Not gonna lie. Guys, by the way, what is my new avatar? It's my new avatar. I have a gun in my hand so that I can shoot innocent people and team up with the murderer. I mean maple syrup. Yeah, I'm gonna team up with the maple syrup. Oh, that scared the heck out of me. Whee! Oh my gosh, that's 17% victory. My victory is equal to 7%. It's not telling. Why am I even telling it? I should not. Oh my god, you are sheriff. My god. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What the hell even is that? The sheriff has saved the day. Bro, did he really just say I'm a giga brain? Oh, I'm gonna die of cringe. Who the hell says they are giga brain? That's... What the hell? Okay, let's go. Please make me the murder. I mean the maple. No, I want it to be the maple syrup. Why can't I be the maple syrup? Hold on. I haven't. Oh shoot! I haven't seen this map. That's a pretty nice. Thank you, map. Who's sheriff? I don't know. I know, buddy. I know. You should have been the sheriff. You should have been the sheriff. Wait, what? What did it say? Activate? Okay, let me activate. What did I even activate? What the hell did I even activate, brother? Brother, with the heal? Brother, with the heal, brother? Brother, you better not try to kill me, brother. Brother, you better not try to kill me. You better not try to kill me, brother. You better not try to kill me, brother. Oh, holy leg. Holy moly. That scared the heck out of me. It's the weird guy. No. Why? Why? Wait, let me see. It's not him. It's not him. It's not him, buddy. It's the weird king of knights, whatever that was, guy. Hey, let me open the door. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Guys, don't mind. I have 800 friends. Bro, you ain't no cutie. What the hell you are? Hey, okay. That song is pretty nice. A hero has saved the day. Bro, big brain. Okay, yeah. Okay, that was a dolphin type laugh. Man, why are these things scary? What do I get? Elite. Okay, elite. It's called elite. Why am I saying elite? Let me get this knife, buddy. Let me get this knife. Why did I have to fall? Holy moly. Please don't. Oh my. Okay. Please make me the maple syrup. No. How many streaks are you going to give me? I want a murderer. For sure. Same, buddy. Hey, buddy. You got some. What the? Oh, shit. My guy. You look like a maple syrup. Oh, shit. This ain't good. Holy moly. Oh my god, that was my coin. I said that's my... Hey, you good, buddy? You good in there, buddy? Oh, that's not a real player. Okay, that was embarrassing. I found secret room. No. Nice. Whoa. Wait. Okay. Nobody. Nice. Holy lag. Yippee, I'm out. Holy. Brother. Are you serious, brother? Holy. Kevit? What the hell is Kevit? Oh my gosh, there's the average rivals kid back. Guys, here's what a average rivals kid wear. You can see him. Look at him. Kill him! Don't get 25. Shout out to you, buddy. Shout out to you if you kill him. If you kill him, buddy, shout out to you. Shout out to you if you kill him. Please kill him! Don't you dare throw the knife at my guy. Don't you dare throw the knife at someone I gave a shout out. Please dare kill him. No. Yes, buddy. Oh my god. No. Oh my gosh. And let me just say. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Brother, leave, Peach. Brother. Get off my head. Get off my head. But get off my head. Bro. Okay, so please make me the murderer. No. You were in the bathroom, so you were a little slow, buddy. Hey, buddy, you better not kill me. I'm gonna stay with this guy. Please be my shield, buddy. Oh shit. Sorry. Why did I even swear? God, that's going to be scary. He's the maple syrup. He is the maple syrup. Hey, buddy, are you the maple syrup? Oh, you ain't. Where'd you go? Nah, buddy. Hell no, we're cooked. Hell no, we're cooked. Oh shoot. Hey, what's that? Give me that. Give me that. Oh man, I can take it. Holy, that guy's a little weird. Damn. No, you killed me. Oh my. Hey, cheese, the maple syrup. I have to snitch a little bit. And go right here. No, it's Mary. Brother, this is not Mary. Wait, let me add you. Let me add you, please. Let me add you before you leave. Wait a second. I just remembered. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, I wish I was the maple syrup or the sheriff. Bro, why does bro look so weird? It has this unboxed hearts. Wait a second. Oh, brother. Shut the hell up, please. Please shut the hell up. She's like, what the hell? What the hell are you trying to say, buddy? Oh my gosh, why is everybody swarming me? I know I'm recording, I haven't told. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Yes! The murder, I mean the maple syrup. Hey, what's good, my guy? Hey, my guy, what's good? Hey, my guy. Let's go, buddy. Let me fucking kill you. You better not snitch, buddy. Oh. Killed her. Yes. I have to run down. Actually, very normal. As normal as you can, my guy. Everybody's trying to kill me. It's broken. Oh, thank you. You better not snitch. Oh. I thought you. Whoa, that scared the hell out of me. Okay. No. Man, dang it. Man, dang it, man. It has been so long since I became the maple syrup. Bro killed me. I'll never forgive you, buddy. No shout outs to you. You are a weird octopus. And what the hell? Why do you have a rainbow gun? Whoa, that's a cool gun. GG. No. Can you sheriff me? Please. Oh man. Oh man. Dang it. Oh man. Man, you're really trying to kill? Oh shoot, I see the maple syrup. He's the maple syrup. I saw the maple syrup. Kill him, my God. Kill her. Kill him. Kill him. Here, brother. Here. Yeah. Where's the song? Where's the victory song? I mean, didn't do the victory song? That's not good. No, she didn't even know who the hell is the murderer. Who the hell is the murderer? Who the hell is the murderer? Anybody get out? That's my place. For real, brother, shut up. You look weird. Oh my God, what the little octopus on your head? And why do you have a rainbow gun? And why do you have pink hair? And why do you have no face? Oh, where you get that from? Give me some. Give me that. I need that cookie. Oh, give me cookie. No, give me. Oh, hey, let's go. Hey, let's see. Bro, is everyone lagging or am I the one lagging? Now, if you see something weird, tell me. Oh, holy moly. Whoa. It's gonna like these. Then go ahead this way. Oh, sorry for the burp. Oh gosh, I burp a lot. But get on my way, yo. I wish Nicholas to make. Oh, let me get a dookie. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm cringe. I'm probably so cringe just hide. Let me just hide in the shower. Nobody ain't coming in here. Because they will be sus if they come in. There's no way you are just here. And you're looking at me while I'm showering, buddy. How does this work? There's no shower. But that was my coin, bro. Oh my God. Man, I have to stop recording. Because I'm cooked. Holy moly. By the way, guys, you all like my new outfit. Like, I got a new black jacket, new shoes, some new pants, some new t-shirt, some new drip. And I covered this because of the dynamic head you can see right here. Why did Roblox even remove those heads? Like, I look completely weird with. If there were no glasses, I would be like completely. Whoa. I'm seeing. Buddy. What is he saying? Brother. Let me shower. Let me shower, buddy. Shower, buddy. I'm going. Let me shower. You better not come in. Alright. Yo, what the? Hey, yo, what the? Okay, a big girl. Oh my gosh, he is a maple syrup. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. If you loved it, please subscribe. Yeah, okay, that was a little cringe, wasn't it? Okay, so, oh my gosh. So, yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.